this is my first American farming video, and a little bit of congestion, so just bear with me, please. I'm doing a voiceover, so this is before the video and everything. This is my cattle truck. This is my farm, and it ain't much, but you know, it's okay. You know, forgot what I needed to do because I've not played American Farming in a little, and so I had to check on my fields and see which ones I had planted or not, and the game will crash, and then I accidentally went into Off-Road Outlaws, so I went back to it. That's why it kind of cuts out in a little bit. And let me know if you want to see any videos from Off-Road Outlaws. Let me know in the comments. Sorry, y'all. I'm stopped up. See, and it'll crash. Get a little sneak peek of my games. Accidentally clicked on Off-Road Outlaws. And then I noticed and I clicked OK. Thought it was American Farming. Clicked OK. And then I was like, oh, that ain't American Farming. So I went back to it. And then I started playing. And then I just kind of started glitching and crap, started lagging some, so I just kind of stopped the video, you know, in a little, of course, I did, so, I was gonna go fertilize, and ended up, see, it glitched, and it lagged a little bit, and we were good. See, it keeps on lagging, so it's gonna go spray this field that I did, and it was like I started fertilizing or spraying, and it was like it wasn't doing anything. So I just stopped, put that back up, and I was gonna go plant my other field, but I was just like, no, it keeps on glitching. It'll probably crash again. So I just stopped. See, it doesn't even look like it's doing anything. Like, the ground isn't darkening like it normally does or anything like that, you know? So I just stopped and I went and parked it over here by my barn. And then I just left it right here. And I just kind of went and looked through. I found this tractor, and I forgot to give where the the calves are staying in the calf pen over here. So I went and gave them a bale of hay. And that little that brown calf that's walking right through there, excuse me. Sorry. Then this thing from the Weather Channel pops up saying new Tornado Alley. I was wondering what that was. Then I accidentally ran over one of my calves. Then I clipped them again. Sorry, y'all. Allergies have really been getting to me. Mowed yesterday and now they're jacked up. Then I just wanted to end the video right here. Bye.